3rd of May 2021 is the year lunar is almost 22nd. We are last quarter winning gibbous. It's my bro's car. I bought it from him. And bro, this is for you. You can see the speed that it skids sometimes. It slips. So it has enough power, but there's a kind of gear mesh perhaps that need to be engaged and disengaged. This is how it see. This is 3300 milliamp hours, 2-cell cycle. This is how fast it goes. I'm gradually increasing the throttle. Traxxas, this is a Flux Savage TF40 2.4 GHz. Frequency, it's a frequency hopping spread spectrum digital RC system. FHSS, the protocol, which is frequency hopping spread spectrum. Gradually increasing the throttle. That's what I get. It goes that fast. It gradually picks up the speed and it stays there. It's a 4x4 Savage XS Flux motor. Guess it's 2100 or 4500 kV motor, perhaps 3500 kV. Brushless system. I'm stopping the video. I'm concentrating on my 4x4 for a while. It still seems like it's power hungry. It still has enough power. The reason is that there's something wrong with this transmission. Sometimes it picks up the speed. The batteries will charge when it's done, and gradually it needs to be 1/4 of throttle being pulled back and gradually increased, and then it goes. That picks up the speed. So there is a problem with the transmission. It seems this is a good buggy. I find it so. This is of my liking, I believe. Yeah, I would say that this is of my liking as a plane hobbyist. It's a plane flyer. I would definitely buy this one. So this transmission needs to be inspected, and it's good to go on the sale. Otherwise, it's the perfect one.